Hello, Mr. Swan, and welcome to my logical structure directory. I organize my clips by the year that I created them in, the final clips. I had a total over about an hour and 6 minutes of all my final clips by the year that they was created. So here's the first year, the second year, and the third year. And it was so easy in Premiere Pro to organize these clips by the color label. As you can see, I got some in the folder more than others. It's the first, second, and third. So let me turn some of this off. I don't want to confuse you, but let's do this so I could tell you more about the metadata in these certain clips that I have colored. For example, this domino tutorial mix. Most of the properties have the same contributor, creator, rights, and what other? Owner, usage terms, a certificate, audio too. I put some origination dates in there on a couple of these clips that I selected, and that was most of the information that I could, copy on the most of the clips, and sometimes even ratings or nicknames on top of the the other three entries that you gave us, like creator and file name. These are other fields that I filled in. Some of them have to do with the clip, and most of them have to do with all of the clips. Like, for instance, let's go to rights. All of this is mostly the same, and all of these clips are copied. So as you can see, the name, the file name changes. The ratings, some of them change, but the rights management on most of them are all the same. Only, of course, depending on the assets and the video clip, certain things are going to be different, like description and stuff like that, and maybe the subject. But that just comes with the territory of having different media. But I chose these files because they're different. They're different files, and they show my progression as far as starting this program up until now to this point. Like the domino tutorial and the evolution of the gangster film genre. This is a keynote. This is like a keynote movie, and this is like an instructional, tutorial. So these are some of the things that have me motivated to have these clips and to shoot the demo reel the way that I want to, hopefully to display my skill set from beginning to now. So that's why I'm choosing, certain clips. So we went through the domino tutorial and evolution. Here's another one that's kind of different. This used photos, and it was sort of like a photo montage, but it was a movie, and that came out of, I want to say, my behavioral science class in my first year. So let's see what else, what other information I put in this. Like I said, most of them all have this rights management information. Some of the ratings have changed for the clips, and of course some of this information has changed for the clips. But let's go Those is two. That's the first year. Let's look at my second year. And this I did a spec commercial. I think I did this year. The end of my second year. And the file name and contributor. I put Full Sail University on most of the contributors because I wanted to give the school credit for giving me the knowledge and the tools to make these clips. So that's why Full Sail University is in most of the contributors entries in all of the clips. And also, my name, the creator, publishers, the internet, that's on most of my clips too. And of course the rights, I own them because I made the clips. So that's on most of them too. The only things that change is like the description of the clips and all of that good stuff. But we're not gonna go there. Let's see what else I've added. Little things like this. And of course the originator. I always put that in most of the fields too. It was so simple to just do that without having the tedious task of going through it all at the same time. It was so easy to just highlight everything like this and just go through, and the rights management, put that in all the files. So that saved me a whole lot of time. So that was the spec commercial. Oh yeah, this was another different project too. All that's the same. Just a couple different things in there. It's like the format, the description of the content. I can see how all of these things will help me structure a real good edit with my demo reel and any other project that I work on. By using this metadata and structuring it the way that I am, I can already see the great possibilities of making a smoother edit and transition with all these different files and organizing them. It'll take a lot of headache and guesswork out of what I'm doing once I'm organizing it the way I need it set up. So that's the week 4 journal, and so let's go to the third year. So I had about 7 of them that 7 different files that I colored. Now these last 2 were done outside of school. They were promotional videos that I did for a client that I'm working with. Also on my final project, this is his beauty and hair salon and clothing store. So these were they had a lot of the same, rights management and stuff like that, but there was also a lot of different things in the content and description of the shots and location. I found out that there's a lot of ways to input different data in here for different files and comments, and this is just really useful, like I said, in structuring something that's organized. And the way that I want to structure my footage, the way that I got it set up, is I want to, like I said, show the progression from then to now. Like I said, I never even picked the camera up or even edited any videos, anything, until I got into this program. So I definitely want to showcase and display my skill set up until now. So hopefully that gave you a good look at how I have my directory structured and how I'm organizing my metadata in these different files in my bins. As I cut down my footage, I may even add more bins, or depending on how things go, how my edit's coming, I might have to do that. So I hope that this explained how I'm organizing my logical data structure and how I'm using the metadata in different clips to stay organized and stay on track of what I'm doing. So I hope that this tutorial showcased what I need to, and thank you for your time, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.